An easy way to tell if you have the 3rd generation Mini is if you have a start-stop button right here. Okay, the cabin air filter is on the passenger side footwell area. On most of the other Minis, 1st and 2nd generation, there's a cover right here that you just pop down and plug in the new one. Really easy. This one's a little different. They hide it. You're going to actually take off this panel here. You're going to need a T20, a Torx 20 bit to get the screw inside of here and pull this off. There's a locking tab up in here, and after you get the screw out, just pull this thing. It should come right out. All right, and you're gonna hold on here and just give it a quick little yank. And there it is. Once you get that cover out of the way, you're gonna see a little door back here, and then that's where it's hiding. Push that forward, pull the door open, and there she is. Don't forget to lay something down on the carpet so you don't get it all dirty for the customer. Now keep in mind on this version, there's actually 2 filters in there, one stacked on top of the other. And once I have that top one out, there's one hiding in here and it's deep down in there. So you're gonna wanna pull it up and out. All right, the new filter kit will come with 2 filters. Sometimes when you look at this car up, it'll have one long one. You don't want this one. This 2nd generation takes 2 of the shorter ones. And when you put that first lower one in, you put it in all the way and then you're gonna shove it down. And now for the top one. And it'll look just like that. When going back in with this door, this top notch right here, you want to put that in first and go up and then down. When going back in with the side panel, there's a little tab right here that goes into a little ear. You want to make sure you get that in nice and firmly before you seat this thing back in. And then put your screw back in. Hello everybody, thanks for joining me today on Mike MD's. I hope this has helped you out, save a few bucks, and maybe learn something. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. I have some other videos that are like this as well for other Minis and BMWs.